Hi guys, my name is Stephanie and you're welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you guys how I actually made this beadwork on the corset cup step by step. Alright, so if you're interested to know how I made it, please keep watching the video till the end. So this is actually how the whole thing actually turned out to be, so keep watching. So these are the beads I'll be making use of in this project. I have these beads. I will actually be doing it all around. I have the lilac color, I have the white color, and I also have purple color as well. So I'll be mixing all of them to actually make the beadwork on the dress. So guys, I've started doing it already. I went there to thread the beading needle with a thread, and then the first thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to be filling in the needle with 3 of the tiny beads, those white beads. That's what I've done. And then I'll put the lilac crystal bead. I'll put the lilac crystal bead, one of it on it, and then I'll take it down and then adjust it so that it's tight, and then I'll put back the needle from there and then take it all the way down, just the same way you see in this video. I'll take it down, adjust it, and then tighten it so that it's firm enough but not too much so that the cup will not squeeze. And then I'll still take back that needle almost in the same space, not giving space at all because I don't want space to be there. And then I will still fix back 3 of the white beads and then put back the lilac again, because lilac is going to be 2 and then 1 purple on the third space. All right, so that's how I'm going to do. I'll keep taking it down, taking it outward almost in the same space, put back the 3 of the white beads, and then this time around go with the purple one. So that's how I'll continue doing until I'll round the cup, and then I will do the same thing to this other cup as well. So basically what I'm trying to explain is that I'm going to be putting 3 of the white beads. I'll put the lilac crystal bead and then tighten it, and then still put 3 of the white beads, put 1 of the crystal beads, tighten it before putting 3 of the white beads again. And then this time around, the third time, I'll be putting the purple crystal bead instead of the lilac crystal bead. So that's how I'm going to do it. I'll continue doing it. So guys, this is actually the last one on the first line, so I'm going to tighten it up so that it doesn't end up losing. All right, so that's what I'm basically doing here. I'll just tighten it well so that it doesn't lose at all. And I'm even tying it again so that in case if one line of the bead is affected, it will not affect the whole beaded work on the corset top, okay, on the corset cup. So I just tie it multiple times, and then cut out that thread. So I still left the main thread on it. So from the inner, if you actually want, you can cut it and still start another line, but I don't want to cut it, so I'll keep on doing it until I round the whole cup. So I'll be passing it through this side. I'll just pass it through the lining from inside so that the thread will not be showing too much from the outside, and then pass it through to the space that I actually want to start, the points that I actually want to start again, as you can see in this video. And then I'll keep filling in the beads, starting with the white beads first, and then this lilac crystal bead, 1 of it. I'll put it in, take it down, and then tighten it. Okay, so when I still take it out again, I'll be putting 3 of the beads and then 1 of the lilac again to still put it and still bring it out and tighten it. And then the third time I'll be putting the purple one like I explained earlier. So that's what I'll keep doing. So the first one on the second line, I still tighten it so that it will be stiff, it will not loose. But if you're making that, just be careful so that you don't end up pressing the cup too much, just do it mild so that it doesn't press the cup. And I'll keep doing the beads, I'll keep putting the beads until I fill up the cup with the whole beads, and I will do the same thing to the other side of the cup as well. So that's basically what I'll keep doing. It's actually going to take time, but I will keep doing it gradually, just the same way you see, because I'm counting each bead as I actually do it. So guys, at this junction, if you are still watching my video and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do it by subscribing to join this amazing family, and don't forget to like this video as well. Please like it and share it to anyone you know it to be of help to. All right, and also turn on your post notification so that you get notified anytime I post a video on the channel as well. So guys, like I said, I'll keep doing it and doing on all the lines until I'll fill it up, and still do the same thing to this other cup as well. So guys, I'm actually done doing the beadwork on the corset cup, and this is what the results turn out to be. You see that the white beads, I actually started it with the white beads, and I love how the results actually turn out to be. See how beautiful it is. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't watched the tutorial video on how I made this, I'm going to be posting it on the channel. I actually posted it already, so I'll link it in my description box, so please go check how I actually made this dress as well. As you can see, the back also has yoke. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you are still here, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share the video as well. So guys, let me know in the comment section what you think of this tutorial and whether you'll be trying this simple beadwork on your own dresses. Thank you, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.